Home Remedies presents how to make this herbal tea and why you should have it daily. This immune-boosting ginger tea is a warm and soothing tea rich with nutrients that provide anti-inflammatory, detoxifying and immune-boosting properties. It is so simple to make and the benefits are priceless. Our pantry is often stocked with healing herbs and spices that could do wonders for our immunity. It's a good healthy tea to add to your daily wellness program, so let's see how to make it. Ginger, cinnamon, clove and black pepper tea. Ingredients: black peppercorns 5 to 6, grated ginger paste 2 tablespoons, cinnamon 2 sticks, water 2 cups, honey optional. Directions: boil all the ingredients except honey in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer till 1 cup solution is left. Strain it and then consume it when it is warm. If you don't like the taste, you can add honey once it is warm. You can take this daily. Why you should have it daily? The reason why you should have it daily is that it will boost your immune system, fight cold, ease sore throat and calm your cough. I call it the magical elixir because how effective it is at relieving cold and flu symptoms. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.